InstaGC lets users cash out starting at just $1, which is one of the lowest payout thresholds in the rewards app space. That matters because most similar apps make you wait much longer before you see any money. By the end of this, you'll know how InstaGC works, how people actually earn, and whether it's worth using in 2026. InstaGC stands for Instant Gift Cards. It's a rewards platform where you earn points for doing simple tasks like surveys, watching videos, testing offers, shopping online, and searching the web. The idea is simple. Complete tasks, build points, and trade those points for gift cards or cash. The low cash-out minimum is the main reason people try it. That's the biggest advantage. If you're only earning a little each day, hitting a $1 cash-out feels fast compared to apps that require $10 or $20 minimums. Here's how the earning side works. Surveys are usually the highest paying option, but they're also the most inconsistent. You can spend time answering pre-qualification questions and still get screened out. That's normal on almost every survey platform. Offer walls are usually better if your goal is speed. These are tasks like signing up for apps, testing games, or trying subscription services. They usually pay more because advertisers want actions, not opinions. The key is reading the fine print. Some offers require purchases or specific time commitments. Missing one step means no reward. Video watching and web searching are the easiest methods, but they're also the slowest. They're better for passive point stacking, not fast cash. The payout options are flexible. You can redeem for PayPal, crypto, or gift cards depending on what's available. That gives InstaGC an edge if you want options instead of being locked into one method. Now the downside. Earnings are still low unless you stay consistent. This isn't a full-time income app. For most people, it works best as spare cash while multitasking. The smartest move is stacking InstaGC with apps like Swagbucks, Free Cash, or Inbox Dollars. That gives you more offers and more ways to earn. So here's the quick breakdown. InstaGC's legit. The $1 cash out is one of its strongest features, and offer walls usually outperform surveys if speed matters. Your next step is simple. Sign up, test a few small offers, and cash out early to learn how the system works. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more app reviews and side hustle breakdowns.